Stop what?
You know what?
I'm not doing anything.
Yeah.
Don't give me that lip. Oh, man.
What movie that Wedding Crashers is like? He does that, he's like, yeah, I'm not something like that.
No.
Yeah. The emo kid.
Oh, yeah. I remember now.
I'll stop recording.
Okay.
Thank you. Turn it off.
Just do what you're going to do already.
I done it.
And what are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Why do you have that on the ceiling? On the door frame.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I know. Retarded.
Come on, do it.
Do what?
Your pull-ups.
I don't know how to do those.
You said come on.
Hurry up, turn that off so I can do my pull-ups.
Just do it.
Turn it off.
Oh my gosh.